In example 4, we have a siding manufacturer here using a conveyor belt and a mechanical arm to move siding boards for a machine to paint the siding. So we're going to use the information provided and determine the end coordinates of the board. Alright, so the coordinates of the board here are given to us, and I'm going to have to slide this up just a little bit so we can sneak everything in there. There we go. I might have to move it up just a touch even again, but we should be okay with the coordinate plane. So the coordinates of the board are -5, 2. So let's make that right here, -5, 2, -5, 4, and -1, 2, and -1, 4. We'll label that figure A here. So here's our original board. Right there. Excellent, excellent. And let's see here. The conveyor belt pushes the board 5 feet to the right. Alright. Well, let's maybe do a different marker here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet to the right. And I know that this distance is 4 units, so if I go right 4, I should have my vertices here all set up. So there's figure B, that's after step 1. So put this here, boom, figure B. Do that, you get figure B. Alright, mechanical arm rotates the board 90 degrees clockwise. So this point's going to be, let me choose a different color there. This point is going to be 0, 2 is going to be 2, 0. That's where that point's going to be, 90 degrees clockwise. This point will be here, and both those points will be down there. And there we are. There's figure C. So after you do that, there's figure C. Now a mechanical arm picks the board up, flips it so the backside is exposed, and moves it to the conveyor belt 3 feet to the right. Alright, well if it flips it in the same spot, then we don't have to reflect anything, but we're going to move to the conveyor belt 3 feet to the right here. So let's see if we can get that. 3 feet to the right would be here, here, and here. So we'll label that board D, or figure D. And we'll move this up here so you can see it a little bit better. I think we got one last one to do. The conveyor belt pushes the board 2 feet to the right under a second sprayer to paint the backside. Okay, so I have to stick with, well, we can do orange or something like that. Here we go. Conveyor belt pushes the board 2 feet to the right under a second sprayer. So now we're here. Yeah, oops. I should have used a ruler, huh? And that's going to be figure E. So we'll do figure E. Will be this one. And actually the question asks us to determine the end coordinates of the board. So I'm going to write down here the end coordinates. And the end coordinates are going to be, let's see, 7, 0, 9, 0. We've got 7, -4, and 9, -4. Alright, that's all there is to it.